Welcome back to another episode of the eIMMIGRATIONAIR Masterclass. My name is Ray, and today I'll be showing you how to add current addresses in the client's profile, as well as some tips and tricks.
Hi Ray, I am ready. Where do I go first?
We will first want to log into your caseworker portal. From there, click on the Clients and Contacts button located on the home page.
Okay, I'm there. This is where I go to search for my clients, right?
Correct. We are first going to search for the client. Type in the client's first and last name and click on Find. Once you see your client's profile pop up, click on the Edit button located on the left. You'll be brought to the general info page of the client's profile.
I'm there. Where do I go next?
Great. You will want to go to the right-hand tabs and locate the Current Addresses tab. Once found, click on that tab. On that page, you will see you have 4 options when it comes to adding current addresses. You have a U.S. residence address, an abroad residence address, a mailing address, and a consulate address that issued a visa. Proceed to enter the current addresses info wherever it applies.
I see. This info will then transfer over to the forms, correct?
Exactly. Enter it once here, and then all the forms associated with this client profile will have this address info.
Awesome. Thanks for the info.
You're welcome. But wait, we're not done. There are a few tips and tricks to help you work more efficiently in this part of the client profile.
Oh, I like being efficient. I am all ears.
Awesome. Now in each section of the client's current addresses, you will notice these Copy Move buttons. These buttons were created to easily transfer info to different parts of the client profile, or even between 2 profiles linked in the Members tab. If we click on the Copy Move button next to the US residence address, you will see 2 options appear: Copy From and Move to Previous Addresses. The first option, labeled Copy From, allows you to copy an address from anyone linked to this client in the Members tab. This comes in handy when you're creating client profiles for different members of the same family who share an address. By clicking Copy From, you will be prompted to another screen asking you which family member you would like to select. Once selected, the US residence address will now show an address that was grabbed from the linked member's profile. A quick way to transfer exact info.
Wow, this will be a time saver. So, what does the move to the previous address option do?
Let's say your client notifies you that they have moved. The address you see on here is no longer their current address and must be stored in their previous address. This Move to Previous Addresses button quickly transfers it to that section so that you don't have to retype this info. Once it transfers, this section clears up, allowing you to add a new address.
Quick and easy. I like it. So, do all other current address sections have similar functions?
Correct. If we go to the mailing address and click the Copy Move button, this allows you to not only copy from a linked member, but you can also copy from the current residence address or the current abroad address located above. The Copy From button located next to the abroad residence address allows you to copy from a linked member's profile. Lastly, the consulate address also has a button that allows you to copy from a linked member's profile.
Wow, these tips and tricks will help us out when working with multiple family members. Thanks for the info.
You're welcome, Sheikh. On our next video, we will cover creating custom fields located in the client's profile. For more fun videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Also, don't forget to like and share this video with your colleagues and friends. For sales-related questions, please call us at 1-800-617-4202 or email us at sales@cerenade.com. For support-related questions, you may email us at ecmssupport@cerenade.com. Thank you for choosing Cerenade. We appreciate your business.